Hey guys, Revant here. Welcome back to my channel, BotGeek, and this is the third episode of the Computer Fundamentals series. And today we're going to see what are the software components in a computer, and in particular, we will see what are device drivers. So, if you haven't checked the first or second video of Computer Fundamentals, I'll leave a link in the description box below, so you can go check them out. So now let's get started. So there are three main software components in a computer. The first one is the operating system or OS. Operating system is the main software component of a computer. I will go into operating system in detail in another video, so stay tuned for that. Some of the most popular operating systems are Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Next we have device drivers. I'll come to device drivers in a moment. And then we have applications or apps. Applications are used to do tasks like web browsing, editing, and note taking. So, some of the most popular apps are Google Chrome, which is used to do web browsing, MS Word or Microsoft Word, which is used to edit documents, and VLC Media Player, which is used to watch movies or videos. So, now I'll show you a picture. So, this is the picture. In this picture, you can see the software components of a computer and some hardware components of a computer. So all the green boxes are the software components, like the main software components, and the gray and blue box is like the hardware components box. So you can think each of this box as a layer. So the first layer is the hardware components layer. In this layer we have some of the hardware components like a HDD, NIC card and mouse. And then we have the device driver layer. And then we have the operating system layer or the OS layer. As I said, operating system or the OS is the main software component of a computer. And then we have apps or applications layer. So now let's see, now I'll tell you what are device drivers. So as we have seen in the previous slide that our computers have a lot of hardware components. These hardware components or devices are manufactured by different companies. For example, SSDs are manufactured by companies like SanDisk, Seagate, and Samsung. Each company's SSD may need a different set of software commands to operate that SSD. These set of software commands are packaged as a software component by the device manufacturer. This software component is called a device driver for that hardware device. Now, let's see what exactly is a device driver by using a picture. So you can think each of this picture as a computer. So the left side computer has a Seagate SSD. And the right side computer has a SanDisk SSD. So let's say we have to save a Microsoft Word document in both of the computers. So to save in both of the computers, we will do Control S, right? To save the document. So this Control S command goes to the operating system. And then to the device driver of that SSD on that computer. And then when it goes to the device driver converts this command into the commands that are understood by the device. So it converts this command. You can think of this arrow as the Control S command. So this command is converted to the format that the Seagate SSD can understand. So it will be converted in this position, like it's going like this, and then it's converted. And then it goes to the SSD so that the SSD can understand it. So if you closely take a look at the picture, you can see that the command arrows from the app to the device driver in both the pictures are the same. So like you can see, these command arrows both are same till it goes to the driver. The color is the same. But when it goes to the SSD, like for the right side computer, when it goes to the SSD, it's blue. And when it goes to the, like in the right side computer, it is orange when it's going to the SSD. So, to conclude, we can say that a device driver is a software component to communicate with the hardware devices. So, thank you for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.